Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen dealership, showing you today this gorgeous and brand new Volkswagen Golf Hatch R Black Edition 2-litre TSI 4MOTION in upgraded Dolphin grey metallic paint. Make sure to check out the description below as it features a couple of tasty factory fitted extras as well. Key highlights it will include IQ Light Matrix adaptive LED headlights in the front with Illuminate logo, whilst from the side 19-inch Estoril Black alloy wheels will finish off the look. In the rear there are also IQ Light LED tail lights with dynamic indicators and a boot space that's incredibly practical with 60/40 split seats and a variable floor. Inside you'll find this R bespoke upholstery with seating for 3, centre armrest with cup holders and even USB chargers with climate control, whilst in the front there are adaptive door and dash inserts and the upgraded panoramic sunroof shining light on those front sport seats. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering with paddle shifts operating the digital cockpit, offering various customizable dials with bespoke R features as well, and for the colder weather there's also the convenience of a heated steering wheel. Moving over to the center console, the 12.9-inch touchscreen is a joy to use, unlocking easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, FM and DAB radio, and built-in sat-nav that can be displayed on both screens at the same time. Various other vehicle settings are on offer, and for added connectivity you'll certainly enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay with wireless Android Auto. Helping you park, there's also an upgraded area view camera offering 360-degree visibility with a host of active safety systems to scan the road ahead. Selectable drive modes are also on offer, with multicolour ambient lighting which certainly stands out when travelling in the evening. For the music fans, there's also an adjustable speaker sound system and even ChatGPT functionality. 2-zone climate control in the front is complemented by heated front seats, wireless charger, and overhead there are controls for the manual sunshade blind and the electric pan roof. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Golf R Black Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.